every day. Know where I am today. I'ma fly today, I'ma have fun. I don't care what they all say about me. I don't see no regrets anywhere. I'd have no regrets for all the things I've done in life. I don't care what they think about me. I only show them these things because I love them. Because I love them, I show them all the things that I think are cool, but they don't really seem to care at all. And that is fine with me, but I wish they'd take some interest at all. They never seem to care any bit at all. But that's okay, yeah, I'm okay. It's fine, that's all I say. And that's all I'm ever gonna say, 'cause it's all I've ever been good at. Yeah, is doing things just like that. Never understood. I am a lost boy from Neverland, never quite understanding anything, but that's okay, yeah, I'm okay, yeah, here we go. That's all I say every single day. I don't care anymore what all of them say, 'cause I can fly and fly and fly away. It don't matter to me, no, it don't matter to me. I will fly away, 'cause I love everybody. I don't care what you say to me, I'll love you anyway. It doesn't matter how mean you are to me, I will still love you just the same. I don't try to make my songs depressing, but that's what everybody says. That's what they all think about them. That's what my songs just sound like, but I don't try to do that.